Well, the problem seems to be solved. I removed the alternator bolt, put Loctite, top and bottom, tighten it, and as you can see, it's nice and quiet now. No more rattling. It's in the alternator bolt where the rattling's coming from.